assignment one by one. Show me your assignment so that I can give you the marks also. Okay. ठीक है, आज नहीं, आज ऐसे ही बता दो, आज हम इवैल्यूएट नहीं करेंगे. Just show me your notebook. Sir, we have started making this. And next lecture, once the definition will be over, I'm going to check entire, assignment till all the definitions. So it will be more fruitful for me, and as well as it will go proper evaluation of things. So whosoever has got it, Samida, have you made it? Made the notebook? Just show to entire class that this is a notebook with the, yes, very good. And I hope now I need not have to teach you how I want the index, how I want the page number to be done. Yes, Samida is having, Shruti is having, Shreyas is having. Mehak, what about you? 7942, very nice. And if you got the new roll numbers, believe me, if you are got the new roll numbers, please put that roll numbers. Don't put the old roll number, okay? And new roll numbers will be of definitely new series. It is not the old series, okay? Sakshi also has done it. अभी बहुत अच्छी बच्ची बन गई साक्षी, वेरी गुड. ईवाई आते आते तू इतना सुधर गई है, आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. अदिति तो पहले से ही वैसी है, पहले से सुधरेली है, तो उसको कुछ बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं. So Aditi is there. Ruchi, what about you? Priya has already shown it to us. Ruchi, where is your notebook? Vaishnavi, I hope you must have created. Yes, Riddhi also I am finding. Kinjal, your notebook. Okay, Vaishnavi also I have seen. Aryan, Parth, Yash, मैथिली.
सर मैं मेरी दादी के घर पे हूँ तो मैं बुक नहीं लाया हूँ.
मेरे को नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नहीं चलेगा ये सब एक्सक्यूज.
हाँ सर, वो इमरजेंसी में आया.
अस्मिता, and remaining students, Parth, Sashi, Rahul, Tapak, Chanchal, Ayush, Dinesh, Hari Krishna, Krishna, Hinal, Sadhvi, Nandini, Prerna, Aaron, Sharon, Kamesh, Neol, Radhesh Shyam, Shikha, Siddhi, Aman, Danvit. Please complete your things. Otherwise, when I will give you, and this is third year, and आपको पता है, I will never take the reverse there. If you will not show me, I am not going to give the mark. And there will be exam also for this bridge course, basics what I have taught to you. So that is why kindly keep your self ready, because many definition will also given you the importance of these. You have seen how the reverse charges definition or service definition was so important, which give lot of mileage to the GST to cover the taxability and charge the tax from people at large. Yes or no? So that is why till theoretical aspect, these are very, very important things which we should learn. And then of course, there are many practical aspects also which we are going to learn during the journey of GST learning in semester 5 as well as semester 6. And believe me, these learning will make you perfect when you are going to apply this logic in your personal and professional career. In your personal and professional career. Okay. So now let us finish first few remaining definitions which were left out. I think last definition we have done, that was service. Am I right? And I told you, including exchange of money, if it is with a certain consideration, it will be considered as service. Okay. So I've given you that the example also. सपोज कौन कौन सा था, दो बच्चे को मैंने बनाया था, समिधा एंड अदिति. If they are changing that 2000 ka with 100, they may not give any kind of consideration. That will not be considered as service. But same Samida is going with $2,000 and to any bank and getting their exchange in terms of Indian rupees. Definitely see the bank will charge something. And if such things are there, then in that case it will be considered as service. So everything is purely with the consideration. That was the last definition which we have discussed. Now the next definition is service ho gaya na? Supplier. Section 2, subsection 105. Section 2, subsection 105. Supplier in relation to any goods or services or both shall mean the person supplying the said goods or services or both, and shall include an agent acting as such on behalf of the supplier in relation to goods or services or both supply. I think this is very self-explanatory. So it includes even agent also. Whosoever is supplying, whether you are supplying goods or services or both. Okay. So if I am taking the Procter and Gamble as a company which provides the Colgate and other FMCG products, it will be supplier of goods. And if I am taking Indian Railway, they are the supplier of services. But if we will consider Amazon or any other DMart ready kind of stuff, or there are another software also, app also, they will be considered as supplier of goods as well as services, both. Actually, Amazon and all, they are acting as an agent. They are not the producer. They take the goods and supplying it to you. They all are suppliers. So making the definition strong of the supply, they are considering supplier. Riddhi, that new leader wala thing has not been done. The people have not kept that meeting. I told you, you and Amay kindly coordinate and get that thing done.
Sir, the list has been sent to Amay, sir. Once he'll check everything and then probably
How many
we'll
you have
send it to you.
shortlisted? How many of them they have applied?
Sir, there were many, but the responses weren't apt. Like they weren't up to the mark. So round about 20 to 30 people we have shortlisted for the first 4 or 5 positions, like president, secretary, joint secretary, and VP. And
35.
after that, we'll go for the other positions.
No, I want that shortlisted 35 names. Are they
Yeah,
from
sir, I'll
different
send
streams?
it. Pardon?
Are they from different stream? I mean, you have covered all
Yes,
the
sir.
segments.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Amay sir did tell me that pure commerce and like pure science and then professional also. So we
Yeah,
have covered every stream.
let's see. Then I have to give them certain tasks. We'll have to see
Yes, sir.
whether today or tomorrow we'll have to decide that.
Yes, sir. By today we'll send you the list. Either we'll mail it to you or we'll send it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. No problem, sir.
Next, go for taxable person. Very simple. See, section 2, subsection 107 states taxable person means who is registered or liable to be registered under section 20 or 24. So actually speaking, for this we need to learn this last section 20 and section 24. Section 20 states person liable for registration and 24 is stating compulsory registration, which we will be learning in due course. Yes or no? This is only for reference I am giving it to you. So that is a part and parcel of our syllabus. So don't worry, when that things will come, you will get to know what is the reference in this subsection is given regarding section 20 and 22 and 24. Am I clear to you all? Yes or no? Don't write only. Try to understand why the reference is given of section 22 and 24. 22 is talking about how any person will make them liable for registration. 24 is compulsory registration. Okay, so that we will be learning. That is a part of our syllabus. Okay, say for example, how many of you are having PAN card, PAN number? Tell me. Samida is having, Shruti is having, Mehak, Vaishnavi is having, Aditi is having, Shreyas is having, Hinal is having, Yukta is having, Omkar, Sonal, Tanya. So many of is still in this class they don't have. But do you think when you will take the job next year, when you will employ in a company without PAN card, things will do? Are you going to get your salary? Understood? And in that case, it will be compulsory for you to get the PAN card. This is all we are going to learn under different sections of CGST Act. Completed? Now let us go to next. Taxable supply. Taxable supply under section 2, subsection 108. A supply of goods or service or both, which is liable to tax under this act. So on which the tax is levied will be your taxable supply. And that is why here they have included goods or services or both. The supply has a broader concept. It is beyond sale of goods act. In sale of goods act, it was only sale of goods. but here in supply it includes services also. Completed? हो गया? Next, these are extra which is beyond the syllabus, but these are important to additional definition which is important for us to learn. Taxable territory under section 2 subsection 109. So you may recollect even in income tax when we were learning, J&K was not the part of territory. But in GST, automatically they have covered the J&K also as a part of territory. So very important. And we talk about territory which is land territory, air territory, water territory, everything. If you do the business there in that region, okay, you must be seen that all the oil refinery is after so many kilometers in mid of the sea, yes or no? But within 40 nautical miles. Yeah, nah. So they are covered under territory and they need to pay the tax. Clear? Completed? Done? Go to next supplier. Tanya, when we will do that? Why it has been delayed?
Sir, actually my laptop isn't working. That's why I had it.
Today without fail it should be done.
Yes.
And you know now there are lot of work for you.
Huh, sir.
Okay, but you have to now divide, like how I told Riddhi also to subdivide. Create other person as a leader, sub-leader. Then only you'll be in a position to get it done. Okay, and
सर
start
और आपने जो फाइल भेजा है ना वो ओपन नहीं हो रहा है.
this one.
सर जो भी फाइल्स आप भेज रहे हो ना तो वो आ रहा है कि प्लीज टेल निशिकांत सर टू रीसेंड इट अगेन. तो नहीं ओपन हो रहा है.
This
आ रहा है
file.
दिस फाइल इज नो लॉन्गर अवेलेबल.
This
सर
file.
आपने कल वो फॉर्म्स के लिए भेजा था ना,
Forms के लिए.
गूगल फॉर्म्स के लिए आपने बताया ना सब हेड्स और ये सब वेंडर लिस्ट
Ah,
के लिए
wo,
forms
that
के
is the same file of your previous bulletin. So to get the headings like CA, CMA, CFA, जो हमारा था ना earlier,
लिए.
I think that is there. That soft copy is there with you.
हाँ मेरे पास है सब.
So from there only you can get it.
हाँ ठीक है.
But today try to finish it off. Now
Yes.
let us start those activity also. Yes, Hari Krishna, you are asking something. You have raised your hand. हरी कृष्ण, कुछ पूछना है आपको? Supplier in relation to goods or services or both. See, every definition you must have seen. They are very particular about this part. They have included both. Okay. Shall means the person supplying the said goods and services or both shall include an agent acting as such on behalf of such supplier in relation to goods or services or both supplies. So you must have seen even in Sale of Goods Act, Agent and agency we have learned separately. Yes or no? They are here considering them as a part of principal supplier, and they need to pay the tax. So nobody can escape themselves. Is this clear and completed? So your section 2 is over. 3, 4, 5, and 6. These three sections of CGST Act has been dedicated to GSTN. What is GSTN? Goods and Service Network. Okay, because the state government, the union territory, and the central government should work in collaboration. Okay, they should collect and they should divide this and that. So now these three sections, because section 7 onwards, again we will be studying supply. Section 8 is mixed and composite supply. Yes or no? So section 1 was introductory. Section 2 we have finished, that was definition. 3, 4, 5, and 6. These three definitions are GSTN. And then 7 onwards, again we will learn supply and their concepts. So now let us go for these GSTN concepts. Goods and Service Tax Network. So first understand their concept, and then we will go for their functions. Okay, and then next lecture onwards we'll start with section 7, supply. Okay. Can I proceed further? I am finding Vaishnavi and all has completed. Ruski, where Tanya, Sakshi, they have completed. Can we proceed? Because last part is left. Only 3 minutes also left. That is function. Those who should not kindly contact them in the Choka ho gaya. Their function is what? To make the registration, match the tax payment with bank, because it is very difficult, you know. You must have seen certain is part of central government, certain is part of state government, certain is union territory and all, right? Accounting the funds between central and state, filing the returns, matching the claims, ITC and its reversal, you know, reverse charge and everything, and management information system to state, and very important role is given to GSTN. The entire handling is taken care by them with the support of IT. Okay, information system. Here, the next lecture we will start with supply. Today till here, it's more than sufficient. Thank you. Start learning. I may start taking your assignment book now any day. Be ready with that. Clear? And of course, there will be an exam. ये जो ब्रिज कोर्स हमने थोड़ा करा है, इससे एक छोटा सा एग्जाम होगा 10 क्वेश्चन का. How much you know about BSc, the basics. So when we can schedule this Sunday? चलेगा? Coming Sunday, है ना? So Sunday we will keep the exam. I'll send you the link. Okay, you have to appear the exam. There will be only 10 questions. Anyone, if you want to ask anything, feel free to contact. You have less than a minute. Be quick. I hope you must have completed your vaccination. Try to do it, huh? Vaccination of COVID is very important. And also try to make the payment of fees as early as possible. Get your new roll numbers. Those who got the new roll numbers, kindly entered with the new roll numbers.